in front of me is Nokia X20 and let me show you how to clear browsing data on this device. So first of all, just open the browser that you are using. Then tap on the More icon, which is freest one in the right upper corner, and select History. Then click on Clear Browsing Data, and here you will find Basic and Advanced options. So under Basic you've got Browsing History, Cookies and Site Data, Cached Images and Files, and if you will go to Advanced you will see 3 more, which are Saved Passwords, Out of Inform Data, and Site Settings. Now you can choose the time range, so just click here and select the period of time from which you would like to remove this data. Let me pick all time and then just tap on Clear Data, confirm it by tapping on Clear, and as you can see, it has been done. So that's it, this is how you can clear browsing data in your Nokia. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.